Do you believe? Listen, this may ignite again the fire in you. When everything in your life turns dark, when those you thought would always stand by you suddenly disappear, and your dreams crumble before your eyes, when everyone you meet tells you that you'll never succeed, when it feels like things can't get any worse, you must dig deep. You need to find that inner strength that refuses to be denied. When chaos reigns in your life, you must take a stand against all the negativity surrounding and consuming you. Listen, you must create a new reality for yourself. You have to fight for a different outcome for yourself and your aspirations. This is not the end. It is a new beginning. You possess the power to change your narrative. No one and nothing can take that from you. A champion is not made when things are easy. Champions are forged in the fire through defeat, through the struggle of facing the worst imaginable and not fleeing from it, but standing up and confronting it. You don't always need to feel pumped and excited. Sometimes you just need to outlast it. You have to keep moving forward. If you are hurting, keep moving. If you are crying, keep moving. If you don't know what the future holds, keep moving. You must maintain the momentum and not sit down and feel sorry for yourself. You might not see it now, but you will be grateful for all this trial you're facing now.
Is it hard? Listen, you'll feel fortunate that things went wrong, because what you'll learn from this process is that these situations will turn you into an unstoppable force. You don't become a beast when everything is going well. There must be pressure. There must be pain. There must be darkness. No matter how bad things get, you have to keep fighting. It's about taking a stand, standing courageously, daringly, and boldly against the odds. No matter how dire the situation or how insurmountable the obstacles, you keep moving forward, keep walking toward your dreams no matter what. This relentless pursuit, this determined drive, is what separates the victors from the defeated. When the world tells you it's over, when it seems like there's no way out, that's when you fight the hardest. That's when you prove to yourself and everyone else that you have what it takes. You show that no matter how dark it gets, you will find a way to shine. Listen, it's not about how intense your battles are, but the strength of your response. No matter how careful or cautious you are, life will always throw challenges your way. It's going to hurt, but the real question is, how hard can you hit back? How fiercely can you fight back? How much are you willing to fight for your dreams? If you truly care about your dreams as much as you claim, you won't fold after the first, second, third, or even the 20-second setback. Instead, you keep pushing through every obstacle until you achieve exactly what you want. Hey, put this into your mind. Whenever you feel negativity or that life is getting tough, remind yourself, I'm responsible. Take ownership of your life and your circumstances. You can't change the past, so don't waste a second worrying about it. Instead, become so absorbed in working on your future and your goals that the past doesn't even cross your mind. Get laser-focused and specific on your tasks to ensure progress. Know exactly what you're doing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and every day to improve your situation. Listen, turn your tragedy into triumph because that's what winners do. They don't just dream, they take action. Winners transform their plans, goals, and visions into reality. They are not paralyzed by fear or doubt, but driven by determination and ambition. Winners don't fall apart, give up, or quit. They execute their plans. I've always seen life as a one-way street that disappears behind you as you move forward. You can't go back once you've started this journey. You have two choices: get scared and give up, or say forget fear and barrel through it. When you emerge on the other side, you'll be stronger than you ever imagined. You know what? Say this to yourself: I didn't come this far to break down and lose now. I'm a winner, and I'm going to win. I'll do whatever it takes to get through this.
Listen, if you know your worth, go out and get what you're worth. But you must be willing to take the hits without blaming others for your situation. Cowards do that, and that's not who we are. You're better than that. Hold on. It doesn't matter how long it takes to finish school. Hold on. It doesn't matter how long it takes to pass that bar exam. So what if you didn't pass it the first time? You keep going, you keep studying, you keep writing, you keep singing, you keep rapping, you keep boxing, you keep fighting, you keep dribbling, you just keep on keeping on. If you persevere, trouble won't last forever. Every storm that comes will pass. I just need you to keep walking towards it. Stop overthinking. You're doing too much thinking and analyzing, talking yourself out of it. Don't doubt whether it will work just because it didn't work before. I just need you to keep moving. Make up your mind that the only way you can lose is if you quit. Just keep going. Failure is just another step on the ladder to success. Some of you need to change your mindset because you're thinking of giving up due to a season of failure. But just because you failed doesn't mean there isn't a bright future ahead for you. It's always too soon to quit. I can't quit. I can't stop. I can't get tired. I can't give up. I can't give in. Because my mother is counting on me. My wife is counting on me. When you have nothing left in the tank, you need to think about the people you're doing this for. If you can think about them, you can go one more mile, one more day at work. When you do it for someone else, when you think, if I don't grind, they don't eat, you find strength. I wish I could tell you to take a break when you're tired. I wish I could say it will get easier. I wish I could tell you that if you just keep going, the burden will lighten. But that's not the truth. The truth is you have to find something within yourself that will push you, elevate you, drive you, and move you. When you discover your why, you won't hit snooze anymore. When you find your why, you'll find a way to make it happen. But none of this will ever happen if you quit. Failure gives you two choices: stay down or get up.